feed Boomer again? This time you're going to be the trainer, okay? When we teach the birds, we can guide them with food. So if I hold food in my hand and walk over here, look what happens. And he eats out of my hand. And then I have another piece of food and I walk over here. Let's watch what happens. Are you ready to be the trainer, Caroline? Come on up. Caroline gets to help out a lot, friends, because we're celebrating her birthday, right? So we do fun things that you like to do. Here's the food. All right, walk all the way to the flagpole, and he'll follow you. Give him the food. And want some more? There's another one. All right, he'll follow you wherever you go.
Awesome.
Want to do it one more time? Good, go on over to the flagpole. That's how we connect with the parrots, all right? You like doing this? You want to help out some more, Caroline? Walk down to the end. I have a trick for you to do, okay, with the birds. The parrot is going to eat some, well, he's going to pretend he's shopping for these foods. Would you like to give him the foods? All right, go to the flagpole.
What is going to hurt you?
All right, you're going to give him one.
They are very friendly.
Okay? Just pick one piece of food and pick it up. Give it to the bird. And he has to put it into the cart.
Give the bird in my hand, it will not hurt me. Because that bird was gentle.
Now, what's next, Caroline?
You can do the same thing today. Very gentle. They're very good.
Good job. Wait a second, one more thing. What is it? Boomer, don't forget.
Close it over. It's just a fly, isn't it? It's okay.
Now, yes, push the cart. Go on, Boomer, you've got to push the cart now.
It doesn't hurt. Go, sit over there. You can sit in my body, but you can also sit over there. It's not going to hurt you.
Keep going, Boomer. All right, let's hear it for Tia, Caroline, and Boomer. Good job. You guys are quite a pair, aren't you? These are the props, all right? That's the flag. He doesn't know how to raise the flag yet. Okay, have a seat. We're going to do the next bird, okay? The green bird says, okay. The next bird is the red bird, and after the